1 in 3 men experiences a loss of control during intimacy. Searching for a solution. You finally discover BrainLove. The app analyzes the data and helps you train both mind and body together. We combined a neural interface and an EMG sensor. The sensor monitors the pelvic floor muscles, tracking strength and endurance. The neural interface reads brain rhythms. Alpha waves reflect relaxation, while beta waves are responsible for focus. Results come quickly: awareness, confidence, control. BrainLove, a scientific approach to becoming your best self. Start today.